I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a croissant candle. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need about 1 pound of soy wax, a few cotton wicks, and your favorite fragrance oil. Don't forget a silicone croissant mold, a pouring pot, and a thermometer. A stirring utensil and a protected workspace are also crucial for a smooth crafting experience. Now, let's melt our wax. Use a double boiler to gently heat about 1 pound of soy wax. Keep a close eye on your thermometer. Aim for a temperature between 180 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the wax reaches this range, remove it from the heat and add about 1 ounce of your chosen fragrance oil. Stir gently for 2 minutes to ensure it's well combined. With your wax ready, it's time to pour. First, center a wick in each croissant mold cavity. Then, carefully pour the scented wax into the molds, filling them almost to the top. Allow your candles to cool and harden completely, which usually takes several hours or even overnight. Once fully solid, trim each wick to approximately 1/4 of an inch for an optimal burn. Your croissant candles are almost ready. Gently demold each candle, taking care not to damage their delicate shape. Inspect them for any small imperfections. For a realistic touch, you can lightly dust them with a bit of mica powder to mimic powdered sugar. Now, your beautiful, handmade croissant candles are complete and ready to bring a cozy, delightful aroma to your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.